Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Shelby, northeastern Miami, southern Logan, western Champaign, until 8 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Kaiser Lake State Park, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. This storm has a history of producing damaging winds. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Sydney, DeGraff, West Liberty, Jackson Center, Bell Fountain. In addition, Kaiser Lake State Park, Carysville, Rosewood, Pemberton, La Pinkett, Port Jefferson, Quincy, and Spring Hills are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.